SQL Developer is an advanced tool that's usually used by professionals when working with Oracle databases. Unlike SQL Plus, it allows you to organize also your code, tables, procedures, functions, triggers, sequences, and it's easier to copy and paste code segments and statement segments between those components. SQL Developer can be downloaded from this link. For the course, please download the one that comes with JDK 8 included. You just need to download this file. The link is attached to you, is available in the Blackboard section. Of course, you need to log in. Once you download the file, you just go ahead and install it. No special settings except all default settings. And once you are done, you can run the SQL Developer Application. Here is an SQL Developer Application. You can first start by doing a connection, exactly the same way you used to do with SQL Plus. Actually, when you did connect Scott Tiger, you were creating connection. Here you can create connection by clicking on the plus sign. Give the username and password. Let us say this is the name of the connection, demo test. The username is Scott and the password is Tiger. If you want the password to be saved, that's it. Click on this one. One important thing to notice here. You need to know your SID in Oracle. Usually in our settings in QU labs and laptops, it's ORCL. You can test the connection. If you get success, just go ahead and connect. Here you see all the tables of Scott, all the views, all the indexes, packages, procedure, functions, etc. You just click on a table. For example, we can go to the EMP table. You can see the columns in that table. You can make any changes here. You can see the data. A good thing to see is also the model itself, its relationship with other entities in the database. As you see here, we have a foreign key, which is the depth number from another table. You can see what constraints you have in that table, what privileges you granted. You see that we granted some privileges on select to Mariam and Leah. And you can do the same thing with triggers and procedures. Anytime you need to play with SQL statements, something that you do not need to store, like writing any SQL statement, you can start a SQL worksheet. Click on this. Make sure you know the connection name. Here it's demo test. And you can type any SQL statement, select star from EMP. Okay. If you click on this one, you run all the scripts, all the statements in the sheet. If you click on this one, which is run a single statement, even the output is more organized. You see now we see all the entries, all the records from that one. If you have like select star from depth and you click on this one, only the second one will run. But if you click on run script, all the script is going to be executed. If you want to save these SQL statements, you just can click on save and find a file. Select example maybe. The file extension is SQL. Look at the folder and make sure you know where your file's stored. At any time later, even if you close this one, at any time later, you can go ahead and open the SQL files that you stored before. You can reuse so many statements this way. That's all about it.